In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online invoices, recorded a customer as paid on unpaid invoice. How to reverse the entry. If an invoice was accidentally marked as paid in QuickBooks Online, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to reverse that payment entry so the invoice goes back to unpaid status. This is helpful when a payment was recorded by mistake, attached to the wrong invoice, or entered before the customer actually paid. To begin, go to the menu on the left side of QuickBooks Online and click Sales. This is where you can manage customer activity, including invoices and payments. Once you're in the Sales area, select Invoices. Here you'll see a list of your invoices. Take a moment to locate the invoice that was accidentally marked as paid and that you want to correct. When you find it, click on that invoice. As soon as you select it, a panel will appear on the right side of the screen showing the invoice history. This area is useful because it gives you a quick view of what has happened with that invoice, including any payment transaction connected to it. Look through that history and find the payment transaction that caused the invoice to be recorded as paid. Click on that payment transaction. This will open the payment record attached to the invoice. Once you're on that payment screen, look for the More option. Click More, and from there you'll have the choice to either delete the payment or void it. At this point, choose the option that matches what you need. In general, deleting removes the payment entry completely, while voiding keeps a record that the transaction existed but changes the amount so it no longer affects the invoice. If you're unsure which one to use, it's a good idea to pause and confirm what fits your bookkeeping process before making the change. After you delete or void that payment, the invoice will no longer show as paid, and the incorrect entry will be reversed. That's all there is to it. This is a simple correction, but it's an important one because it helps keep your accounts receivable accurate and ensures your customer balances are correct. If you're cleaning up payment errors, always double-check that you're editing the correct payment attached to the correct invoice before finalizing the change. That's it for this video.